You're either a farmer or live in the countryside if you can name these animals. Let's start easy. First one. Pig. Second one. Cow. Third one. Goat. Leave a like if you got everything correct so far. Medium level. Sheep. Next one. Horse. How about this one? Chicken. The first person who pops up when you press share and more will never come out of an urban city. Hard level. Donkey. What is this? Turkey. Follow if you like this quiz and don't forget to comment how many you got correct. Last one. Alpaca. How many did you get correctly?